Today, let us continue with question number 7. Find a quadratic polynomial. What we have to do, what is our aim here? To find a quadratic polynomial. So now let us see what is given. Given below are the numbers. One of them is the sum, another is the product. Okay, what we have to find? A quadratic polynomial. What are these numbers? You see, one is the sum of zeros, another is product of zeros. Sum because written first, so that means this one is a sum, then this one is the product. What we have to find? Quadratic polynomial. How to find it? You already have the formula, so you can only replace. Okay, so we'll start like this. So the first one from the question itself, it's the sum. You can write like that. Then this one, it is a product according to the question. Okay, remember you have to find the quadratic polynomial. So the formula is, to get the quadratic polynomial is x square minus sum of zeros whole x plus product of zeros. But you already get the value, you only have to replace them. So here x square, leave it as x square only, minus, in place of sum of zeros you already have from here, minus 3 by 5. So you replace it there. 1 minus from the formula, 1 minus from the question, whole x. Then here we have plus, then here is written product of zeros, but you already have from here product of zeros, it is equal to minus 2 by 5. So here we have a fraction. What to do? Whenever we have fraction with plus or minus, we used to take LCM, right? LCM of 5, 5 and 1. So definitely the LCM will be 5. So remember, denominator divide LCM. 1 divide 5 will be 5. So 5 into x square, it will be 5x square. Minus to minus, plus. 5 divide 5, 1. 1 into 3, 3x. Okay. Plus to minus, minus. 5 divide 5, 1. 1 into 2, 2. Okay. After that, we cannot plus, we cannot minus them. So this is the required quadratic polynomial which you want. Okay. So the same way, you try yourself number 2 and number 3. This is the sum. This is the product. Replace in the formula. The first one is the sum. The second one is the product. Replace in the formula. For here you have fraction, you find LCM. But here there is no fraction, so you don't have to do anything. Just replace it. You will get the answer. Then next we'll continue with question number 8. What you have to do? Here also we have to find a quadratic polynomial. Okay. Our aim is to find a quadratic polynomial. Then what they give us? They give us the zeros. That means these are the two values for x. So like whenever we have quadratic polynomial, we used to take the zeros as alpha and beta. So that means we take this one as alpha, this one as beta. Don't confuse these two questions, okay? Be careful. Here they already give sum, they already give product. But here they give only zeros. You see the difference? Here they give sum and product to find quadratic polynomial. Here also we have to find quadratic polynomial, but they don't give us sum, they don't give us product. They give us only the zeros. So you already see in the question, the formula, in order to get quadratic polynomial, we need the sum, we need the product. Okay, so that means what to do? Before we find quadratic polynomial, we have to find the sum, we have to find the product. This given number, remember, they are the zeros. That means alpha and beta. Whereas here it's given, it is sum and product. So read carefully the question so that you will not confuse. So let us see, okay. That means here they say zero. So we take the first one to be alpha, the second one to be beta. Then we need to find the sum. We need to find the product. Then we will use the formula to find the quadratic polynomial. So let's start it. Okay, because we don't know the zeros, so we take alpha and beta to be the zeros of polynomial. Okay, then we will take the first number to be alpha, the second one to be beta. Then now remember, we have to find the sum and the product. So sum means plus, alpha plus beta. Alpha we know 2 by 3. Then plus beta. Beta we know minus 5 by 7. So you have fraction. How to plus? You have to find the LCM. LCM of 3 and 7 will be 21. Then you can do by the side or you can divide directly. Okay, take the fraction, multiply by LCM like what you used to do in lower classes. 3 divide 21, we get 7. 7 into 2, 14. Plus to minus, minus. Then take the fraction again, multiply with LCM. 7 divide 21, 3. 3 into 5, 15. So you minus them, what you will get? 15 minus 14, because 1 minus 1 plus. So we get 1 by 21. But 15 is greater, so we have to put minus sign. Now we get the sum. Next we have to find the product. Product means multiply. Alpha into beta. Alpha you already know, no? It's equal to what? Equal to 2 by 3. Then multiply beta minus 5 by 7. For multiply, we don't have to find LCM. If we can cancel up and down, cancel. If not, then you multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 2 into 5, we have minus 10. Then 3 into 7 will be 21. You'll have to find LCM only for plus and minus. Okay, but for multiply, you multiply up and up, down and down. Now we get the sum, we get the product. Next we have to find the quadratic polynomial. So write first the formula. So the required quadratic polynomial will be x square minus sum. In place of sum, we can put this way, whole x plus alpha beta. Then we can replace now, x squared it will be there. In place of alpha plus beta, you already get the value, minus 1 by 21. X, it have to remain x. Then product we have minus 10. In place of product, okay, minus 10 by 21. You have the fraction. So find LCM. After that, that is the answer. Okay, 1, 21, 21. So LCM will be 21. 1 divide 21, 21, 21 to x, 21x square. Minus to minus, plus 1x, because 21 divide 21, 1. Plus to minus, minus 21 divide 21, 1. 1 into 10, 10. So this is the required quadratic polynomial. The same way, you try number 2 and number 3. Take this as alpha, beta, alpha, beta. So first find the sum, find the product, then you replace in the formula to get the final answer.